Hello guys, this is your friend Turnothemuharib. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the untold story of Mushfiqur Rahim. Let's start our video with an interesting story. One day Mushfiqur went to his grandparents' home. At night during 2 am, he wanted to play badminton. Not in tomorrow, not in the morning, he wanted to play badminton at that time. Finding no way, his grandfather arranged all the things to play badminton during that night. This story proves that how a man could be a self-willed to do a work. Mushfiqur Rahim was born in 1988, 9 June in Bogua. He made his international cricket debut on 2005 with Test cricket against England in the home of cricket or the historical stadium of cricket, Lords. During childhood, everyone called Mushfiqur Rahim affectionately Me Too. The education background of Mushfiqur Rahim. Mushfiqur Rahim has done his master's degree from Jahangirnagar University in the subject of history. He wanted to do his PhD on the subject of the history of South Asian cricket. Statistics and records of Mushfiqur Rahim's cricket career. Mushi becomes the second Bangladeshi batsman who batted for 500 minutes in the crease in Test cricket. He has done this record against Zimbabwe. Mushfiqur Rahim is the first Bangladeshi batsman who has 3 double centuries in Test cricket. And he is the first wicketkeeper batsman in the world who scored 2 double centuries in a Test cricket. He is the greatest Test player for Bangladesh ever and also the best Test captain ever in Bangladesh cricket history. Under his captaincy in Test, Bangladesh beat Australia and England in Test cricket. He is the highest run scorer for Bangladesh in Test cricket. The present ranking of Mushfiqur Rahim in Test cricket is 19th and ODI is 19th and T20 is 59. Mushfiqur Rahim has done 7 Test centuries and 7 ODI centuries. He has 38 ODI 50, 21 Test 50 and 5 T20 50. Mushfiqur Rahim is the first man who has a century versus South Africa in ODI cricket for Bangladesh. He was the highest run scorer on 2018 Asia Cup. Family background of Mushfiqur Rahim. Mushfiqur Rahim's father's name was Mahbub Habib. His mother's name is Rohima Khatun. Mushfiqur Rahim's wife's name is Jannatul Mondi and he has a cute son named Shaus Rahim Mayan, who is only 2 years old. Mushfiqur Rahim is a very honest, kind and innocent person in his normal life and he is too friendly with everybody. He is a very religious and calm and quiet person. Based on all the statistics and records, we can say Mushfiqur Rahim is the best Test batsman forever in the history of Bangladesh cricket. He is the best batsman for Bangladesh in the present time. He is a very hard-working person. For me, he is a name of inspiration. I am a very big die-hard fan of Mushfiqur Rahim. Who are the die-hard fans of Mushfiqur Rahim? Comment me in the comment box. That's for today. See you on Monday.